Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be revamping this guy. This is Project Fallout. As you can see, it has already had a new glass panel. Slight little smashing accident. Today we're going to be giving it a full drain, give it a loop clean, get it looking nice and pretty, and refill it with some UV coolant. We're going to have some magnetic UV strips stuck in there so we can get it glowing, and I'm really hoping it's going to look like the Quantum Nuka-Cola from the game series. And what we're also going to do is install this nice new Team Group RAM, the Extreme ARGB RAM. I've got 2 sticks of that, so that's going to look incredible once it's in there. Hopefully we'll get that lit up either yellow or blue. We'll see what we think looks best. And then I've also got the Delta Max SSD from Team Group that we're going to revamp it with as well. And to go with that, of course, this, which is the SSD adapter. So it's a nice little magnetic adapter that we can mount the SSD to and have it looking pretty in the build. Let's get to it. Giant jug. Now I did have a jumper for the power supply to, you know, get the pump going without actually having to turn the PC on. No idea where that is. Okay, so I've got the deionized water ready to go. I'm going to give that a flush through the system just to try and clear it out a little bit before I take the blocks off and give them a good clean. And then once I've got the blocks off and the pipes out of the way, I'll get the new RAM in there and I'll get the solid state hard drive in place, get it looking pretty. I have this. So this is the Intel SSD 6. Is it 670 series? I do D6 M2 80mm NVMe SSD. With 5 years limited warranty from the manufacturer. Intel have sent me this out for a future project. It's a terabyte and it's like 3500 megabyte read, 2500 write, or vice versa, something like that. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check that yourself and just confirm those. speed references, but we're going to get that in here anyway, so I can get an operating system loaded on that, because this will be used in a future project that is going to be incredible. So yeah, that's going to go in there as well. In there. Look how minging that is. That's because it's been sat for so long with that view effect in there, not been turned on, not anything. And it's really, really gammy. Screws, and you see some huge magnets on the back of there, so you can mount it wherever you want, I suppose. Now I was thinking we'd have it more on show, but perhaps not. Oh yeah, that is magnetic. So I think what I'm going to do is mount it here on the front of the case, so as you're viewing it from, you know, the interior, you'll see it really nicely lit up. So let's get the SSD mounted. And I'll get it cabled and that'll look pretty. Right, we're ready to go. So the RAM's in, hard drive's in, we've got the M2 in. I've taken everything out, give it a bit of a scrub. The water blocks, that is. Piping, radiators I've left. I'm going to give it another rinse through now with the deionized water before we get the UV coolant in there. And then once that's all done, we're rolling. And now it is extremely loud because I've got, well, the pump as well is loud for one, but the fans, it's just a continuous humming because of the patina effect that I've got on there. Aesthetically, yeah, it looks good, but it is so noisy. Okay, so far so good. So the coolant's running through. I think we're looking good. So what I'm going to do, get it closed up, get it booted properly, make sure everything's running okay, and that's about it. So what I have done as well, you can see here, just there, I've added in the magnetic UV strips, so just tucked away where you can't see them, and then one at the top here as well. So it'll really make this glow. So yeah, that's essentially it. Let me know what you think of it. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit a like, drop a comment. Keep an eye out for my future projects. As I said, that Intel SSD that's in there, the M2, is going in the next project, as well as this Team Group SSD and the ARGB RAM as well. They're all getting used in an upcoming project, which is going to be pretty good. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.